Welcome back to Ready for Future Ride. Today, a legend is revived. The 2026 Ram TRX returns with a supercharged Hellcat V-8, setting the stage for a new era of high-performance off-road trucks. Stellantis CEO Antonio Filosa officially confirmed the TRX's return during the mid-2025 earnings call. Now, with the SRT Performance Division reignited, the TRX is poised to hit production in January 2026 at Sterling Heights, Michigan. Deliveries expected spring 2026. Powertrain and performance. The truck is expected to be powered by a supercharged 6.2-liter Hellcat V-8, potentially the Redeye variant, producing around 797 horsepower, aimed at outmatching the Ford Raptor R. 0 to 60 miles per hour estimates hover around 4.5 seconds, with robust off-road hardware included. Design and tech. Styled with updates from the 2025 Ram RHO, expect a refreshed grille, aggressive hood scoops, TRX-specific bodywork, LED lighting, and unique interior touches with Uconnect 5, driver assist tech, and premium sound systems. The Northern Rivers Times, Arab GT, Road and Track. Why it matters. The return of the TRX isn't just nostalgia, it's a response to demand. When Ram reopened V8 orders, they received over 10,000 reservations in 24 hours. The TRX will sit above the RHO, reclaiming Ram's dominance in performance trucks. Are you ready to hear that Hellcat roar again? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more future car legends on Ready for Future Ride. Available colors for 2026 Ram TRX Final Edition. The 2026 Ram TRX Final Edition, a limited run of 4,000 units, is offered in 3 exclusive colors: Delmonico Red, Night Edge Blue, and Harvest Sunrise. Price estimates for the 2026 Ram TRX. Car and Driver anticipates a starting price around $99,000 for the 2026 model. Car and Driver also mentions that this revival brings back the TRX with a 6-figure MSRP expected to land between $110,000 and $120,000, especially considering its Hellcat V8. Car and Driver.